past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down? Staring at the ceiling, fighting off a feeling. One more minute, cause I just don't wanna come down. Don't wanna go back to how I used to be.
I used was Girls Night, but it came out quite pastel, so I ended up dyeing over the top with Arctic Fox Purple Rain, which is a much darker purple. Hey guys, so I just finished dyeing my hair and I have to say I love it so much. So it's kind of like a universal kind of hair dye style that I wanted to go for. So whatever side I choose to have my parting on, you're gonna see all the colours. Yeah, I wanted to be able to have all the colours that I like. My favourite colours are turquoise, well, blue and purple, so I got the best of both worlds and I think it's just going to look so pretty when it's tied up. I wanted to also keep some blonde for now, because when I wash my hair a few times I know these colours will probably merge into the blonde slightly. So I was going to dye the blonde with a very pastel periwinkle colour. I just want to take it step by step at the moment. Considering I've had blonde hair for about a year and I've only dyed it like pastel shades, it's quite a big difference. Like, I've forgotten what it was like having such brightly coloured hair, but I wouldn't change it at all. I love having brightly coloured hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair dye video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys!